Come on, dude.
What?
I'm in danger.
Hello, welcome back to the Scratchverse.
Crazy.
This is truly crazy what's going on here. Today we are bringing you a Rain World Randomizer. We are randomizing the rooms and the enemies that spawn in here. Will we survive? No one knows. You just gotta watch and find out, cause content.
You don't know what you're doing, do you?
What do you mean I don't know what I'm doing? You don't know what you're doing. Alright. Welcome back to the world of rain, the world of pain, whatever you shall call it. I am purple. I am purple. I'm fat, and Max is red. He looks like blood.
Hmm?
I can't say he's the white one because he is red.
So that's concerning.
What's concerning?
We're already here. We're not supposed to be here yet.
Oh, I completely forgot we were playing Randomizer, even though I just said it like 5 seconds ago. Okay. Here's this room.
Well, I guess there's bats, so that's a plus.
We gotta eat up real quick.
Here's a snag that I did, bro.
Come down here!
Well, let's go.
Oh my gosh, the alarm already started.
So down.
Yeah, what's down have in store for us?
More food. Okay,
It's
back.
that room, okay.
Then this must be the way. Just come through. This is the way we're supposed to go.
If I can fit, jeez.
Okay. You know what? Stay there. Stay there.
Are you going down there? What was that?
Now try to go through. Shit.
Oh, I
There you
forgot. You can kind of butter me up. That's cool.
Mm.
Oh, through here. Yeah, so with this obese mod that Max has installed, you could actually get obese and then not be able to fit through the little.
I say our only objective is to make it to moon.
To where?
To make it to moon.
Is that the Lake of Light?
No, that's the woman.
Oh.
Oh, hey, we made it!
Oh! Okay, nice. Also, guys, really sorry for not uploading for, like, over a week. I'm planning on doing, like, weekly uploads, so stay in tuned every week for a new episode of me saying dumb things out of my mouth and you guys liking it. Please stop punching me. Please stop punching me. Please stop punching me.
Kill issue.
But we move up.
The skill game!
To the base.
Come on, get up.
I'm drinking root beer.
Get up, we're moving on in life.
Drinking root beer.
We're moving on in life, come on.
Drinking!
Oh, we're here now. Oh.
Also, it seems like y'all have been enjoying my Rain World content, so subscribe for more Rain World.
Big fruit.
And I cannot stress this, please comment down below what I need to play next. Because the only reason I haven't been uploading is because I haven't really had ideas. Also, please stop throwing me fruit.
You need to eat. I'll keep
Jesus, it's like going over to Grandma's house. Okay, we're here.
We're this part of Outskirts now. Crazy.
You know, Max, I was kind of crazy once. And,
I'm leaving you behind.
They put me in a room for... Max, please, I can't jump. I'm too fat.
Maybe if you didn't eat that rock, I would have had an explosive.
Max.
Sorry, I'm trying to kill something right
We
now.
could always just get you another rock, dude.
Yeah, I got my other rock, dude.
Oh my god. Hey, I got up. I am champion. Oh my god. Yeah.
I have a double explosion thing. Look. This doesn't hurt you, right?
Oh.
Doesn't hurt you, right?
I was completely wrong about that sentence.
Max,
Yes.
you little.
Oh wow, we're here now. This is Dropwig.
Oh, is there?
You know what?
What? Oh, Max.
Yeah, I'm that evil. You'll be fine, don't worry.
Guys, get Max in the comments for killing me.
No, don't do that.
Oh, ew. What is it? Ew. Ew.
Come on.
Casually sips tea.
Casley's with Steve, like you said.
Sips tea.
Excuse me, man. You need to die.
Just watching Max do combat. Sips tea. Sits tea.
Ooh, a karma flower.
Karma flower.
Now all I have to do is find a save move over here. Now all I have to do is find a save point.
All I have to do is move over here is find another save point.
Where am I? I'm going in all these different directions. I'm so confused.
It's a room randomizer. We're playing a randomizer, dumb person.
Dumb person. It just brought me back here, bruh. I'm going up. We're going up.
We're going up.
It's also an enemy randomizer.
Yeah, so that means all enemies are random.
Oh my. Oh hey, I'm collecting
Please
spheres.
don't roll.
I'm collecting spheres. What do you mean don't roll?
I'm referencing you in another video. Oh. We're not supposed to be here yet.
No, this is the path of Spearmaster.
Is this Path of Pain?
No, it's Spearmaster.
Okay.
Why was there a Miro's bird, bro?
That was a big bird.
Yeah, it's a Miro's bird. It's terrifying because they deal like they kill you after they bite. They're freaking gross. Also, we're running out of time here. I really need to find a den. Or maybe this way. Move, you dead lizard.
Whee. Whee. Whee.
You know, I could go up.
Up and down and all around.
Wait, is up where we came? Yeah, up is from where we came from.
Yeah, go to the left. I love how you can just explosion jump.
Bruh.
Okay, now we're here. Does that
Again.
mean... That means that leads to there. What? This layout is very confusing.
I'm going back. I'm going up. I'm going up this time. I'm so confused.
I do not understand.
Maybe through here.
Yeah, maybe. Now, just maybe, if we make it through here, Max will die.
Whoa, you want me to die? That's crazy.
I don't want you to die. I want to progress.
Yeah, we're progressing. You're gonna have to give me a bit as I find the stupid den.
It's like going through a maze.
It's a map randomizer with enemy randomizer. What did you expect?
I know what we're playing. I'm just saying what it's like. It's
That
like
is
a
a
maze.
mother spider. Now we're here.
My lordy. I thought that
Oh
would.
my.
I thought that was gonna trigger the rain, and I got so scared.
Nope. If it did, that would be so stupid. Ooh, look at
Imagine that specific spot just triggered rain.
that. It would kill myself. Bro, I have been everywhere. Where am I now? More food. Ooh, more food destroys its soul. Now
Breaks
we're
neck.
at now at this part of outskirts. What's down here? Another
Another card
flower.
flower.
Now what's this way?
Another
Nope.
card flower.
Okay, maybe we go straight. Right, Scott? Straight should be the way.
Eat the. Oh. I'm
It's
tired.
it's
This is
fine.
scary. This is so sketch.
I know what I'm doing. I've been. You tried it. Bitch. Try
Okay.
me ever again. There's two of them in the same spot.
My
Okay.
lord. What's that red thing? Oh.
Oh, that is a fire egg bug, the one that drops fire spears.
Oh.
I'm not killing it though. Scab's full.
Ooh no.
Well, remember it's an enemy randomizer. They're all gone.
Oh
You know, if
yeah.
I want to see what happens if I kill it.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Well, it can dodge?
Yep, like normal egg bugs.
I didn't know they could dodge.
They do. They do it a lot. I'm surprised I'm alive. That thing is
Someone should
persistent.
Photoshop that thing on top of like Sans' jacket. It would be the funniest thing ever.
Oh, hey, we're at a karma gate. I wonder what karma gate it is. Oh, cool. We're not going. I came all the way over here to not be able to go that way. That's funny. No. Don't mind the sky. The sky is fine. What are you talking about?
I feel like the best speedrun slug cat would either be Artificer or Saint.
It's fine. We're fine.
Proceeds to be not fine.
You know, I might die. Just saying.
Oh my lord.
You know,
Max, don't die.
what about down here?
Max, don't die.
Okay, it's raining outside. That's a bad thing. So I could die if I just go up here. But I need to
Max.
pass this point.
Come on, dude.
Ah!
What
It was
was that? What
it
were
was
all those?
a Miro's bird. A Miro's bird, bro. Come on. 2 seconds in, we're already dead.
What? I am so confused.
Oh, welcome back.
Oh, what den is this?
The first 10 we ever made it to.
Oh.
Tied, no.
Hello? Oh.
Don't worry, guys. He's just a bit dumb. It's fine. We love
You
him.
are too!
I'm not
Ha!
sure. No,
I couldn't
here's
get out.
here's some fruit.
Get the stupid out of your head, boy, and eat some fruit. Don't you dare.
I saved you. How do you feel?
Nom 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 nom.
Now, why are you eating?
Hey guys, it's me. I'm screwed. It's me. Mo big.
I can't turn this rock into a bomb for
Excuse you,
some reason.
sir.
There's a den this way, so come on.
Give me a moment.
Yeah,
Me and
maybe
my
you shouldn't have eaten the lizard, should you have?
me and my fat.
Hmm.
I'm so fat. Ooh. But the lizard was so tasty, I couldn't help it.
I ate 2 rocks.
What did you eat too?
The other one just disintegrated, so I guess.
Okay, that's fun.
I can't. Because you overate, I can't turn anything into bombs. I hope you know that.
Oh wait, really?
Yes.
That's funny.
You know, you need to craft something. That's what we're gonna make you do. We're making you craft. This.
Barf.
Yes, keep doing that. Actually, just keep just spewing out
I
random
can't. I
objects.
can't move.
Oh,
Okay, we're good.
throw it. Okay, now.
Steal another object. I told you. I remember I removed that mod. A turtle? My super throw? Yes. There you go. Sheesh. No, that looks yummy. Well, now I just can't see anything. I didn't pick it up somehow. That also looks yummy.
Alright, where do we go now? Oh! Something happened.
Second. Here we
Where do
go.
we go? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Get out.
Get on my.
Here.
Get on my back. Get on my back. Get on my back.
Okay. Yay.
Oh wait, Uppies is dead.
Thank you, Overseer.
It might be going off actual game logic though. We don't actually know if that's a den or not. Be honest with yourself here. What's a sense of wing?
Now, why would the Overseer lie?
Because the overseer isn't all knowing this way.
Yes, it's supposed to be. Now we're just here.
Calm
Feel
down.
like-
There's supposed to be a den down there.
I feel like
Really?
I'm in a maze.
That's my bad.
Are you happy
That's
with
my.
yourself, Max?
Yeah, I lost both my bomb spears. At what cost? This way.
I got up, but what it cost?
You don't want to get near me when I do that. Just
I really don't.
okay. Back other way. Other way. Other way. Other way.
Okay,
Go,
okay,
go.
okay. Okay! Ah! Hi!
Bro.
Oh.
You see me just dive at it?
I love how you just have a double jump now. That's hilarious. Actually, excuse me, a triple jump.
It's the wrong way. I know exactly where this leads. I'm gonna
My
defend us. I'm
Lord,
defending us.
Matt!
I'm defending us. Go forward. Thank you. Wow. Okay.
What do you mean, wow, okay?
Jump. No. Good
Ugh.
goal. Into the bussy.
Oh, nothing.
Yeah, back up. Back up. It's water. Okay. Well, now you're gonna ride my back. You're gonna ride my back. You're gonna ride my
Okay.
back.
Okay.
I almost did the. I tried doing the double jump. Give me a second. Get back on my back.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'm the fastest mover. Nah. Ooh, food.
Food. Let's keep going.
Let's follow where the overseer tells us to go. Let's not follow where the overseer tells us to go. How much time do we have? Okay, we have half a day. We're good.
Oh. Oh.
Give me a sec. Give me a second. Where is this gun maker? Where is this done?
Max, I'm recording.
I'm so sorry. It's been mostly silent. Wait,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, viewers. Well, hey, it's fine. You're underneath. I'm
Go,
excited. This my excited noise.
This is my excited noise. C4 goes off. Come on! I can jump. Oh.
We're at half a day, Scratch.
I don't know what that means.
Means we're running out of time.
Sandoval, this is your half-hour call.
Am I running out? Actually, we could just save again. Let's do that.
Los vences tiempo.
MIA.
I'm good. You piece of shit. Now we're
Oh,
up.
hey. To mid. Level up.
We're now mid, guys. Just like my channel.
Crazy. Your channel isn't mid, it's base, bro.
Oh, I see. I'm a
Not,
base channel. I'm a mid channel. I see.
I could explode again just to kill you.
How do I leave? Oh, that's not good. Don't we kind of
Shit.
need him? Where the hell are you?
Back at where we should have been. Okay. Come back down. Go down. Go back. Go back.
Okay. Oh,
Grab the
actually,
sphere.
let
Grab the
me
sphere first.
get this real quick. What's up?
Hi.
I can't grab your tail from that.
I know.
footage.
Okay, give me the sphere.
Why give you the spear?
You'll see.
What are you gonna do with it?
Move.
Okay.
Okay.
Max, what are you doing?
I need to get in the ground. There you go. Now duck. Oh, so close.
Oh!
You.
I thought I was supposed to jump off. Sorry.
Okay.
Hey guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe so I can
No!
feed my
Don't end the
family.
video. Don't end the video.
What do you mean
Don't
don't end the video?
Don't end the video. It's
What do you
fine.
mean don't end the video?
I know what I'm.
So I'm gonna see y'all next time.
No, don't
Peace.
end it.